Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new Scout 177 Sport that we just received. This boat is available. It's done in the full hull crystal blue gel coat. Really pretty color on this boat. Forward we've got a trolling motor plug, standard, casting platform with really deep storage beneath the locker. 4 speakers total in the boat. 2 facing aft and 2 facing forward. Our console seat has rod storage on either side. That's also where the live well is, beneath the seat. We've got recessed cleats, stainless steel grab rails. Our helm, we've got digital gauges from Yamaha. Aircraft style toggle switches. This boat has trim tabs with LED indicators on it. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. Steering wheel is on a tilt base and has a steering knob. The helm has seating for 2 with a comfortable backrest and storage beneath for a dedicated igloo cooler and tackle storage. And there's also space on either side for other items that are secured with a storage net. The boat has a 90 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke Baystar hydraulic steering. We've got a fiberglass wedge to mount the power pole. On the starboard side, reboarding ladder to the port side. The boat comes with a trailer if you need it. If you don't, we can remove the trailer. And that is a look at Scout's 177 Sport. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. You can give us a call at 843-747-1889. Check us out online at marinemax.com and come by our store at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526, and we're the big yellow building right off the highway. Thanks for watching.